I love you with my heart, with my soul, with every fiber of my entire being. How are you feeling right now, beautiful soul? So we're here at Cathedral Rock in Sedona, and I wanted to stop and share some energies from this sacred space with you. I'm going to transmit some courage, unity, and bravery codes. So just be in this space, open your heart, and connect with me. I invite you into this space to be still, in silence. Be in the isness of your own heart consciousness. Breathe deeper and longer and slow. Tiaria kuya na shrie kukaya na watari enu kua tia tia. Eru mutu kiaria shria kata wutu matiara. E karia ta ua shikta ata ua. Enu arieshu kaya kaya na kia shukuyamati. Shh. Esho aku iamati rienu karietia. Zekumati ariana kirietukua. Shuyamati atatatata. Ekua nesha eru ana ia uuki. Sukia mayana shia. Enzuri e shia tukuatia. Utuye shayamati. Enzuma la un eo ari ekuia jeloatu matu. Shikuye shakajan. Tiamakiari. Breathe these frequencies into your body. Absorb them into your soul. Just be in this space as your heart expands and expands and expands. Kirienu shariataria kua. Shiatayana yatatatatatatatata. Shu ushakayata. Utuyemayana yataki. Buya shakana yatawata ua. Shikua shikia sha sha. Ush. Shoo 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 shoo. Feel your heart expanding as the codes from these rocks, these mountains, streaming into your Merkaba field as you vibrate faster, being here right now. Start to become aware of your physical body, the vibration in your bones, the tingle in your cells, the frequency in every muscle. We're going to count from 5 back to 0. When we get to 0, open your eyes, come back into this space, and just be. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Whenever you're ready, open your eyes, come back into this space, and just be. Feel your body, feel your energy, feel the space. Be here now. Know that you are amazing, beautiful soul. Plug back into this transmission every day for 13 days and feel your frequency rise and your consciousness expand as you go deeper into the labyrinth of your own cosmic heart. Remember to check out our website, starmagichealing.org. We got some of the best ascension tools on the planet. Light language transmissions, hundreds of guided meditations, cosmic yoga, nutrition, masterclasses, and so much more. Check it out right now. You can get access for 7 days completely free. Go out into the world and love your sisters and your brothers fiercely and ferociously. Hug them tightly and never be the first to let go. And I'll see you again real soon. One love, one heart, one human family. Peace out.